Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset, calibrate the hands and synchronize a G-Shock GA-1000 or module number 5302. The first step is to put the watch in the time mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see the day of the week. Press and hold the adjust button for 5 seconds until you see H.set on the screen. Press the mode button one time and wait for all the hands to stop moving. Use the two buttons on the right side, the upper right and lower right button, to move the minute and hour hand to the 12 mark, that is vertically facing upward or showing noon or midnight time. Once this is done, press on the adjust button one time to exit the setting. The hands will now move to the current time set on the watch. As you can see right now, both the analog hands and digital display are showing 6:14. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.